Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to sort folders and files in Google Drive using the full 2026 setup. Sorting your drive makes everything easier to find, especially when you're working with lots of documents, photos, or project files. So first, open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and sign in with your Google account. Once your main dashboard loads, we're good to start. Begin by opening the folder you want to sort. You can work inside My Drive, shared with me, recent, or any custom folder you've created. Once you're inside the folder, look toward the top right corner and click the Sort button. This opens a menu with several sorting options. If you choose Name, Google Drive will organize everything alphabetically. This is perfect if you want a clean A to Z structure. You can click again to flip it into reverse alphabetical order. Sorting by last modified shows your most recently edited files at the top. This is super helpful when you're working on active projects and want quick access to recent work. Another option is last opened by me. This rearranges your files based on what you personally opened most recently. It's great when you can't remember where a file is located, but you know you worked on it not long ago. Finally, sorting by file size brings your largest files to the top, which is useful when you're trying to free up storage or find big videos or backups taking space. You can also switch between list view and grid view depending on your preference. List view works best for sorting by date and size because you can see more details. Grid view is great for images, videos, and design files. All of these sorting options update instantly, and they only change the view for you. Your sorting doesn't affect shared users, so everyone can organize their drive however they prefer. And that's it. That's how to sort folders and files in Google Drive using the 2026 setup. Once you start using these sorting tools, your drive becomes much easier to manage and much faster to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.